In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Google Flow credits. By the end, you'll know exactly where to check your current credits and how to upgrade to a plan that gives you more. First, open your browser and go to the Google Flow homepage. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to use with Flow. If you use multiple accounts, it helps to confirm you're on the right one before you proceed so your credits land where you expect. Once Flow loads, look to the top right and click the profile icon. That opens your account menu. In this menu, you'll see your available credits. Think of credits as the fuel that powers enhanced Google AI features, including what you can do inside Flow. When you start running low or want to unlock more capability, the easiest path is to upgrade your plan. From that same account menu, click Upgrade. You'll be taken to the Google AI Plans page. At the top, switch to the Monthly tab so you can compare the options side by side with their current monthly pricing. Exact prices and promotions can vary by region and time, so rely on what you see on screen. Now, choose the plan that fits your needs. Google AI Plus is the entry option that includes monthly AI credits and expanded access across Google AI tools, including Flow. It's a practical pick if you're getting started and want a steady monthly credit allotment without going overboard. If you're pushing bigger projects or want higher limits, select Google AI Pro. This tier bumps your monthly AI credits significantly and increases access across the ecosystem. Great for more frequent or more intensive creative work in Flow and related tools. For power users and heavy production schedules, there's Google AI Ultra. This top tier includes a much larger monthly credit pool and the highest access limits. It's designed for teams or creators who need headroom for demanding workflows and want the most robust experience across Google AI. If you prefer to pay once and save over time, toggle to the annual option. You'll see the yearly pricing and the savings compared to paying month to month. This can be a smart move if you know you'll use Flow and the included credits consistently throughout the year. After you make your selection, give the page a moment to update your plan details. Then head back to Flow, open the profile menu again, and check your available credits so you can start creating with confidence. That's it, quick, clear, and you're ready to make more with Google Flow.